Alright, in this quick demonstration we're going to be removing the keyboard from the Dell Latitude E4300, and you first are going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to start up here in the upper right hand corner next to the power button. There's a little groove, and you'll place the flathead inside here and pry up gently, and you will completely remove this entire bezel. Set it aside. There's 3 screws that will need to be removed. One above the insert key, one above the F8 key, and the other above the escape key. So then you'll use a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 3 screws, set them aside. Now you will lift gently from the middle of the keyboard so that it arches, and there's 2 tabs on either side that will need to be removed, little clips, and you can lift from the middle and gently remove those. After the keyboard is free on either side, there's a connector right here at the base of the keyboard that will need to be slid out, so we were going to be pulling the keyboard towards the screen like this. Now the keyboard is completely removed. At this point you can swap the